Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Wanna see how outer road look at night. It is way past my bedtime. It is way past my bedtime. But guess what? When I come out the road and look something can come go, I don't know where me I go find something go now. Because guess what? France is supposed to celebrate them independence. But I come out here thinking, say, we're going to see some whole heap of excitement and thing. Me in the center where they would have like all of the nice things them have gone. And we don't see nothing have gone. So, we're going to show you all the place empty. For a celebration day and night, we're going to show you all the place empty. But you see the whole of the crowd that go down at the seaside. And them say when you go to Rome, you do like the Roman do. And them say again, when you see the crowd that move, you have to move with the crowd. So you see tonight, guys, me I move with the crowd. So stay tuned. Me I go see which part the crowd lead me to. Guys, I come down from the seaside and I don't see nothing go on and down there dark, no light, no down there. So here where I go a bit of nightlife in a news. Show you what nightlife is like with especially the restaurants. Okay, so I go walk through and go a bit of the night lifestyle here in Nice. That's all. Alright, look like little excitement up there so. So me I take on a right in it. So I go along up there so. So I go. So that is that. When I get these salads, may I go somewhere else. But seriously, find anything else can go. Everything a career of France people. Begging a career, singing a career, anything you can do. But once the people feel entertained, then feel something. Guys, on a look. See? Restaurants. Restaurants. Where the people them sit down like people. France people. These are the restaurants. This is nightlife in this. Not even at daytime. The restaurant in the whole city. Look over there. See? All right, here, so restaurants. See? As far as you can see, guys, up and down, it's restaurants. You see all these tables here? A table with book outs. Yeah? Welcome to nightlife in Nice, guys. All these tables, these are tables that are already booked. So no one sit there until the occupants that book it come. Nightlife in Nice. Nightlife in Nice. There are souvenirs, cotton, beach stuff. See?
Après, c'est peut-être lui là.
So guys, I hope you enjoy this vlog, and leave me a comment about this video. Tell me if you like it. Tell me if you want to see more of this video. Wanna see me a sweat? Only in summer, not even airing me can't put in, guys, because I feel uncomfortable when me sweat and having the airing. So guys, if you like this video again, he's saying hi to you. Tell me, give me a thumbs up. Tell me everything good about this video if you like it. Okay? So guess what? Now go home now. Now go pull a ital bath. You know what is ital bath? A bath without soap. Yes. I'm going on my bed because I have an early morning move to do tomorrow. So here one. Charms lifestyle out, you know. But you see before I go and I gone it, I'm still here. Please subscribe to this channel if you are new. If you want to know more about Charms lifestyle, you gotta subscribe, okay? So please subscribe to this channel. You won't regret it. I promise you that. This is Charms lifestyle. So guys, I'm gonna take the tram. It's not yet here. You know what time it is now? Some minutes to 12 o'clock a.m. It's way past my bedtime. You never see me out the road this late yet? You know how long I want to do the nightlife video here for From I just start do my channel, I want to do a nightlife. The opportunity is now here. Nothing happens before the time, okay? So guys, I'm gonna love you guys and leave you now, okay? So you take care of yourself till I see you again, okay?